Hey, this is Mike at Loophole Pedals. I'm just going to be doing a quick update on these slider caps on this GE7. You can see one of these is missing and one of them is actually cracking. So I'm going to leave a link down below in the comments on where you can buy these replacement caps on my Reverb store. I'm just going to take the old ones off here. They slide off pretty easily, which is why one of them was missing. And you can get rid of these, throw them in the trash or whatever. We're going to be replacing them with these new generic style caps. So first thing is I squeeze them in between my fingers, and I want that that opening to kind of be an oval. And squeezing it, I'm going to slide them one just to isolate it. Squeezing it, I'm going to just slide it right on. I'm going to push down the top, and there we go. Nice brand new white replacement for these fader caps. And again, I just squeeze it to pinch it, and then I slide it right on. These fader caps work for the POG 2. They also work on the Electro Harmonics micro synth. They work on a lot of pedals that take these faders, these sliders. So if you're missing any caps, feel free to jump on my Reverb store and I can get them shipped out to you. They're pretty cheap, not too expensive, super easy to load on here. Again, I'm just pinching and then pushing it right on. Just a quick pinch and slide right on. Then I push the top. So it looks like all of them are on. And I'm just lining them up to be pretty. And you'll see that there is a slight point on these. It's nice to give you some extra grip. And yeah, there you have it. Nice fresh look on this GE7. Thank you guys for watching. Link will be in the description to buy these on Reverb. Have a great day.